So if we aren't doing the coolant lines, all that's left is the downpipe and mapping?
Essentially. You can drive it today if the downpipe's in. Oh, mega. Boop, boop. Hello.
Man, this looks sweet.
Uh-oh. Oh. You see? Should have gone Specsavers.
Oh. Picked something up. What the f?
What's up? What have you done? You've walked into a piece of tube. That's why we don't wear well, I used to, but I used to wear flip-flops here.
Yeah?
Still toe cap flip-flops though, yeah?
Yeah. Steel toe cap flip-flops.
Listen, they were safety, they were safety. Mega. Boom, boom. Oh, actually not so mega, my brother.
Not so mega?
No, because we've got enough space to run it perpendicular. I don't want to position the lambda upwards. I mean, look, it doesn't need to be 1,000,000% because we still have plenty of room there. Literally, ton of movement. I'm talking around 10-15 mil either way. That's like different postcodes. Oh, it's still on a hot side. Would you like to touch?
Ah, looks toasty, mate. It's smoking.
I think I'll bring heavy guns for the conversation. Your favorite?
Oh.
Oh, Red Bull, yeah, thank you.
Yeah, which Red Bull do you want?
This one. It's a nice Red Bull holder.
Oh, look at this, man. Perfect.
It's not a paid advert, but the Red Bull, please send us some.
Look at this.
Boom. Ooh. Yeah, let it cool down like that. It's gonna melt half of your car.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
No?
No.
Okay, no.
No.
That's a no, no, no.
Yeah, it's still
That's
hot.
a no, no.
5 minutes later.
Mega.
Cool down a bit now, yeah?
Okie dokie, now we can handle the business. This is it. Yo. Ooh, perfectino. Where's the clamp?
Clamp?
Mm-hmm.
What clamp?
Oh, okay. Are we like that now, yeah? No clamp? What clamp?
No inglés?
No inglese. Oh, we need... Oh. Andy, how you doing? Would you have a turbo... You know that clamp that goes on the turbo to the downpipe? Yeah, would you have it? Andy, you there? Oh, give it a push. Andy, are you passed out or something? Oh, for I think it'd be faster if I made one. Come on, where are you checking the part stuff on? Abacus. I've seen snails faster than you lot. I don't need the gasket because it's a custom V-band, but I just need the clamp. You haven't got a clamp? Oh my days. 100%. Cheers, brother.
They don't have a clamp.
They haven't got a clamp. Oh, for f***'s sakes, man. What a show.
Not quite. Too small?
Slightly odd. See, I don't know if it came with the clamp or it didn't. What else runs the same turbo? How the f are they not gonna have a clamp? These clamps are common as f. They literally snap. Because it's not 3 inches more.
Could this be good?
It looks the same essentially, so you owe me a clamp now. Where did we put the downpipe? I'm thinking getting old and forgetful. That BMW saved you bum.
But this is from a BMW.
X6, 40D N57 twin turbo.
It just saved the build.
Mega. Look, perfect clearance here.
Oh, wow. This is like a work of art in comparison to what I had before.
Hello.
Aha. And now bit by bit, it's gonna come together, yeah?
You know what? I would even shorten it. Boom, boom. Mega. I'll just tack it, you know, vaguely, so 2 spots. That looks neat as f***. Would you agree, kind sir? Lovely. Mega. Yeah. Whoa!
What are you doing about this clamp?
Well, Bart took a clamp off of a BMW X6 twin turbo.
In face, but it's mine, motherfuckers. You owe me for clamp now.
Instead of test fitting the turbo 100 and something times.
100 something times I'll burn my fingers. Aye, motherfucker. Aye. Oh, perfecto.
I know, right? Look at that.
Perfecto. Let me have a Red Bull, because if I don't drink Red Bull, I forget things.
Thank you, sir.
What is this? Yeah, Red Bull.
Yeah. Hey, what you got there, sir?
Nothing. It's a 45, but I need to twist it.
Yes, reverse, yeah.
So,
Yeah.
ha!
Ooh.
Oh,
Ooh.
oh, lucky
Is
look.
that spot on or what?
No, it's not spot on, it's pipe on pipe. But essentially, yeah, it's not far off. Ow! Yes, it hurts. See, I like how, because it looks very clean. If somebody didn't know, to them it's standard car. You with me?
Yeah.
That's what I like about it.
Like if it was all blacked out as well.
Yeah, blacked out was fine. If we blacked everything out, I'd black that out as well.
Well, even the
Yeah. Ah, so we need to find the vacuum reference and do it that way.
you block off one of them. I think the lower one is blocked off.
You want me to block
and
it
you
off?
only use one. That's what the guy said on.
Ah, because it's
from
twin
my
port.
TMG. Yes.
Mega. It's very nicely done, that. I like it.
That just comes out.
Yeah, because they have crowns. You okay with just normal Allen?
Yeah, man.
I'll put it in the box just in case.
Yes. You'll connect the upper blow-off valve nipple with map sensor adapter that you already have.
I'm not gonna collect nothing with your nipples, man. But I'm gonna finger tight it anyway, yeah?
Yep.
Fire the f*** up.
Fire it up.
Yeah.
She's on. Oh. Oh dear.
One sec, and 1 sec.
No problem.
Maybe more than 1 sec. There's too many Pumper Schnitzels.
No.
Are you fine with that?
Good, yeah. Shall I go again?
Do whatever you can, man. Oh.
Ooh. Good stuff.
Let it literally slightly warm up.
Okay.
Just rev it up, man. Nice bit of work there, Bart. Thank you. It looks nice, doesn't leak, doesn't fart. What are you rubbing my toolbox for? So how are you gonna compensate for your blow-off, my brother? What's gonna send the signal to this?
Oh, whatever was plugged into the original diverter valve, no?
100%?
I imagine so, no?
I'd imagine so, no. But where's the original diverter valve plug, my brother? This is it. No, but where was it located? Directly on the turbo, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Where's the plug for it? Okay.
Is that right?
It's 3 f***ing pin.
3 pin. And the one we have is
2.
So we ended up speaking to Chris Stoss from RTMG Performance UK, who guided us in the right direction on how to set up the blow-off valve vacuum line properly on this engine, because we were trying to use a different adapter that I don't think is made for my engine whatsoever. Turns out we needed an entirely different one that just adds like a little boost tap nipple to plug the vacuum line into in between my manifold and the map sensor.
Do you think that's something even I could maybe install myself?
Yes, mate.
Yeah.
All you need to do, don't break it, yeah?
Yeah.
It might be a bit of a bitch. Gently prise it up here.
Yeah. Plastic tools and
The thing is,
everything.
if you do break him, it doesn't make any difference to you because you obviously cross-bolted because it's too tall.
So that would come out.
Yes.
I'd put that in.
Yes.
Boom.
Yeah.
That's it. It would be. Perfect.
Did go in.
Oh my. That's, oh, the battery is, shit. Gotta jump start this. Perfecto. Thank you. He's moving. I have many lights on my dash. Oh, right, let's go for a little spin around the block. It's been maybe 2 months since I've last driven this car. I can't believe it's just running. She does sound different. Oh mate, of course I want to just send the car, but it's not been mapped and I don't want to blow the car up. We're next door to APC at their local car wash. So if the car explodes or stops working, we can just push it next door straight back to APC.